What's up everyone, welcome to Dtechnophile world. Here in this video you will see 10 Instagram tips and tricks that will level your Instagram usage. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video, especially the last 3 tips. Those are the pro tips. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, heading to our very first tip, it's a pin in your story tip. It's for those who want to highlight their text or sticker. So for doing that, all you have to do is you will need to have a video in your story. So firstly, I'm gonna select a video from my page. Let me just do that real quick. Then after I select a video from my page, I'm gonna post it on my Instagram story. Then I will type in the text I want it to be highlighted. So after typing, I will place it where I want it. Press and hold on it until this option comes out. Then move the slider accordingly where you want this text to be highlighted. Pin it and wait for some time. It's a time consuming process, so have some patience. The result will be satisfying. Okay, now the result will be something like this. Alright, heading to our next tip, collage. This tip is for those who want to have images in one story but 3 or 4 images in a group. So firstly, you will need to have a screenshot of those images, then go to clipboard, select of image you want to have, then place it where you want to have it. Again, do the same. You have to go to clipboard, select the image, paste it, move it, place. Again, do the same, but make sure you don't overdo the images. It will make it look like tidy and all, as I did in this video. So let me just do this again. I will show you the result, how the collage has been created and how you can use it. So let me just do this real quick. So that's how you create a collage. The next step is for those who want to have like a multi-sticker response in the story, but they don't want to have like stories one after the other responding everything. It's annoying when you see a lot of stories there. So to avoid that, all you have to do is firstly you will need to post a question sticker, right? So let me just do that. Have seen that how to post a question sticker, right? After this, people will respond to this. All you have to do is slide it upwards, then you will see the responses. And after that, when you respond to the sticker, make sure you want to place it somewhere so that next sticker should come down there. Let me just respond to this, then save the image so that you can use this image as a background when you respond to another sticker. Let me just show you how. Okay, now we are with the next sticker and the background is the previous one. After replying to this one, you can repeat this process, but don't overdo it again, and make sure it looks visible and beautiful. Alright, so now you have a multiple sticker response. Heading to our next step, it's arrow feature. I know it's simple, you might have already known about this before. I thought it's useful, so I'm just gonna show it. So this tip is useful for those who are more kind of like drawing arrows thing. Before it was so hard to draw the arrows with those pencils because you won't get the exact shape how this one is going to give you. Alright, go to the pencil tool, which is beside the sticker one. Then select off this arrow symbol, drag it, draw it where you want this arrow to be pointed. Now see, the arrows are so sharp and you don't have to mess around. That's a simple thing, right? So I thought it's useful, so I just put it in this video. Right, the next step is also a simple one. So if you know already about this, you can always skip this one. And for those who don't know about this, you can watch this out. Just by using the neon effect, you can make your stories lit or stand out beautifully. So select off the neon pen, make a star thing going on, or you can always highlight your text using that pen as I'm doing right here. I have included this just because I know it's simpler, but it's always there. The feature is there for you, so you can use that out, right? So the next tips are pro tips, so to make sure you don't skip those. Tip number 6, switch up multiple accounts. To have one, you have to go to profile, settings, then set up multiple accounts, choose one of your basic account and press next. As soon as you press next, this will work. If you have 3 IDs, it will ask you to choose another account you want to have with your basic account attached. So after, it's actually for those who have multiple accounts, okay? So make sure you have multiple accounts to use this option. Then log out. As soon as I log in, the IDs would be logged in. I don't know why Instagram didn't allow me to record the details I was typing in, but somehow I promise this works. Alright, heading to our next step. The next step is creator account. To have one, all you have to do is go to your profile, select menu over there, then go to settings, accounts, then set a professional account. The two options will pop out. First one is creator and second one is business. We have to choose the creator one, so we'll go with creator one. Press next, and again you have to press next. Read this if you want. Then you will have the categories that belongs to you. So choose the one you want. I'm gonna choose the video creator one as I'm a video creator, and make sure you enable this display category label. Press next and wait for some time. Now you have a creator's account. As you can see, the interface of Instagram is now different. I have promotions and insights over there, which is only possible when you have a creator's account. Having a creator's account has many advantages. I will cover that topic in the next video, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Tip number 8, general option. This is my favorite one. I use it most of the time when I want to have my personal people account from the primary section where I used to chat with them frequently. To do that, all you have to do is press and hold on that person's message. You will have some options. After that, you have to select move to general. Let me just show you. Move to general. Then that person will be moved to general section. You have primary and general section. This is only possible when you have a creator's account, so make sure you have one. And it's a handy thing, right? So you can always use this, and you can always add or remove accordingly. Again, all you have to do is press and hold on the message, move to primary. The person will move to primary. Tip number 9 is quick replies. Alright, let me just show you how to have this quick responses or quick replies. You say settings, creators, then quick replies. You can select new quick replies or press that plus icon over there. And after that, type in the message you want to have in your quick replies. Give it a shortcut when you want to have it like more easily or quick thing happening. Alright, after you create one, and let me just tell you, you can have as many as you want. Alright, let me just go to the messages to show you how to use it. Alright, here we are in the messages. Press on this plus icon again. You have a message icon over there. Press it. You have all your quick replies here. You can choose whichever you want. There is another way, I'll show you. Type in the shortcut, press on this message icon. Again, you have your quick replies just in your hand. So it is also possible when you have a creator's account. Alright, the next step is more of a recommendation, I would say. It's actually, you will need to have a third-party app for this. Go to your Play Store and download AA Founds over there. After that, it will help you with all the settings you will need to have to use this app. Also, I want to make sure if you didn't understand any of the tip or trick in this video, you can always read my blog post I have linked in the description. Go check that out and help yourself, help me as well. Alright, it's always useful for you. Okay, after you open this app, it will ask you to enable this keyboard. So press on that, enable this keyboard. Then again go back, and now switch to founts. Now let me just show you, there are so many founts in this keyboard. You can always use in your story and captions if you want new founts to be there. And there are some set of emojis you can always use. Those are my favorite. I use it a lot. If you want to see that as well, you can follow me on Instagram and you can see my creativity over there. I'm just kidding, you can see my stories and all my updates related to the videos I'm gonna post. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. That being said, I guess that's the end of the video, and I will catch you in the next one. And make sure you check all the links that has been given in the description below, and make sure you follow all of them so that you can get all the updates related to my next videos. And if you like this video and want to see more of it, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon for latest updates and information related to my upcoming videos. And that being said, thanks for watching. Bye bye.